Welcome to Breast Health India. I'm Dr. Chaitra. I'm a breast surgeon and oncologist. A lot of you might have heard about breast pain chart, especially if you visited a breast doctor for breast pain. Today, we are going to discuss something slightly similar to it, but not all that similar, and that is a breast health chart. This could be an interesting DIY project for a lot of women out there. So let's get into it quickly. A breast health chart can be a simple diary or calendar in which you would note down any issues related to your breast and your results of your breast self examination. You can alternatively make a breast health chart and use it to record issues related to your breast. This is a breast health chart that I advise my patients to use, and it can be made at home as well. The chart is essentially a calendar in which you would note down the date of your period, if you are premenopausal, and the day on which you've performed breast self-examination during that month. Women who are postmenopausal are advised to do breast self-examination on the first of every month because it's an easy date to remember. You will need to make a key of symbols that you would use to mark the chart up. If you are someone who suffers from breast pain and have already been consulted by a breast surgeon, you would have probably been advised to maintain a breast pain chart, especially if it was not determined if your breast pain was cyclical or not. So you can use the same chart to double as a breast pain chart as well. You can use different symbols to mark up the date of your period, the day on which you perform breast self-examination each month, the dates on which you have experienced breast pain so that it can later on be correlated with the date of the start of your period. And you can also mark the date of your mammogram if you've had this done. And of course, mammograms are usually advised only to women over the age of 40 years. While using the chart, you can use your own key. For example, I've used a red circle to mark the first date of a period during a month. And depending on which date your period has occurred, you can mark the date with a red circle similarly. And if you're performing breast self-examination on the fifth day of your period, you can use a green tick for that particular date. If you're also using this chart for breast pain, you can use different symbols for different intensities of pain. For example, I've used a single blue dot for mild pain, 2 blue dots for moderate pain, and 3 blue dots for severe pain. And you can put these dots on every day of the month according to whether or not you have pain on those days. If there is a day without any breast pain, you need not put the mark on the page. I've used a capital M in purple for mammogram. For example, if you've had your mammogram done on the 1st of April 2021, you finished the chart for 12 months. Now you know that you are due for a mammogram at that point. If you've been advised 2 yearly mammograms, you can make this chart for a duration of 3 years so that the date of your next mammogram is still visible before you complete the chart. After performing monthly breast self-examination, you can add a comment onto the chart, especially if you have any findings that are not suspicious but are different to what you've previously examined. There are many calendar apps available on your mobile that can help remind you about breast self-examination. But if you've already subscribed to our channel and have clicked the bell icon or are following our Facebook page, you will get a reminder for breast self-examination from us as well. Hope this video has been useful for you. And if you are going to do a DIY chart, please share your images in the comments below. I would like to see how your charts have turned out.